Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we will talk about a 5-axis post-processor for the DMG DMU 200P machine, equipped with the MillPlus V520 controller, designed specifically for Mastercam users who need accurate, stable, and production-ready 5-axis machining with subprogram support. If you are searching for a DMG DMU 200P post-processor, a MillPlus V520 Mastercam post-processor, or a 5-axis post-processor with subprograms, then this video is exactly for you. The DMG DMU 200P is a heavy-duty, high-precision 5-axis CNC milling machine, widely used in aerospace components, large mold and die manufacturing, energy and power industry parts, complex multi-surface machining. This machine is known for its large working envelope, rigidity, and simultaneous 5-axis capability, making it suitable for demanding machining applications. To use this machine safely and efficiently, you must use a proper 5-axis post-processor, especially when programming with Mastercam. The MillPlus V520 is a professional CNC controller used on many DMG machines. It supports simultaneous 5-axis machining, advanced kinematic transformations, tool center point control, rotary axis management, subprogram execution. Because of its specific syntax and logic, a generic post-processor will not work correctly. A dedicated MillPlus V520 post-processor is required to generate correct and machine-safe NC code. 5-axis machines like the DMU 200P are very different from standard 3-axis machines. The post-processor must correctly handle linear and rotary axis motion, machine kinematics, tool orientation, safe transitions, collision-free movements. If the post-processor is incorrect, axis motion can be wrong, tool orientation can be unsafe, programs may not run on the controller, machine damage can occur. That is why using a proper Mastercam post-processor for DMG DMU 200P with MillPlus V520 is critical. This post-processor is designed specifically for machine DMG DMU 200P controller, MillPlus V520 CAM software, Mastercam, machine type, 5-axis milling, subprogram support. Yes, it supports both positional and simultaneous 5-axis machining, producing clean and reliable NC output for MillPlus controls. This post-processor fully supports 5-axis positioning, 5-axis simultaneous toolpaths, complex surface machining, multi-angle machining operations. The generated NC code is optimized for MillPlus V520, ensuring smooth machine motion and accurate tool orientation. Subprogram support is enabled and fully supported. This allows repeated machining features using subprograms, smaller and cleaner NC programs, better program organization, easier program maintenance. Subprograms are especially useful on large and complex parts, machined on machines like the DMU 200P. The post-processor generates clean main programs, structured subprograms, readable MillPlus NC code. This makes programs easier for CNC programmers, machine operators, shop floor troubleshooting. This post-processor integrates seamlessly with Mastercam multi-axis workflows. You can create advanced 5-axis toolpaths, simulate machining, post accurate NC programs, validate tool motion before machining. The output is suitable for real production use, not just simulation. After post-processing, you can review the NC code, validate rotary axis motion, run machine simulation, perform safe dry runs. This minimizes risk and increases confidence before running the actual job. This post-processor is ideal for CNC programmers using Mastercam, shops running DMG DMU 200P machines, MillPlus V520 control users, large part and complex 5-axis machining. If you are machining large, complex, high-precision components, this post-processor is essential. If you need a 5-axis post-processor for DMG DMU 200P with MillPlus V520, you can contact us anytime. And if you are working with any other CNC machine or controller, feel free to reach out as well. We have a large collection of Mastercam post-processors, including post-processors for Siemens, Fanuc, Hayden Hain, MillPlus, Haas, Okuma. Our collection covers mill, lathe, mill turn, wire EDM, and router machines. We provide post-processors according to your exact machine configuration and controller requirements, along with installation, testing, and full support. To summarize, this is a professional Mastercam 5-axis post-processor for the DMG DMU 200P, designed for the MillPlus V520 controller, with full subprogram support, delivering accuracy, reliability, and safe machine motion. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this information helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you need a post-processor for any other CNC machine, you can contact me directly. I will provide the right post-processor based on your requirements. All contact details are available in the video. Thanks again for watching, and see you in the next video.